Hey guys, Jacob here. I want to give you my opinion on the HeaPets Air Purifier. This is a pet specific air purifier. I really want to answer the question, is this going to be good for pet hair? I do have multiple dogs, multiple cats, and so we have a lot of different hair flying around, and they're longer haired animals too. So I want to give you an unboxing, a closer look at what this actually looks like, all the functions and features, and do a demonstration for you to actually show you what this looks like so you know exactly what to expect. First off, with the unboxing, it does, come packaged really well, in my opinion. It does come with an instruction manual here so that you can see exactly everything that you need to know about this device for using the app as well. Because one thing about this air purifier that is pretty unique is that it does have a smart Wi-Fi app that we're going to use as well to help us, actually see how the filter is doing, how long it's been running, and everything else too. And it looks like about 8 steps, so it should really only take a couple minutes for us to actually connect. I have the air purifier itself, so let's just get this out of here. Again, packaged very well. I don't think that this would have been moving around or anything like that during travel. All right. And since this is my first impression of this, I just wanted to do an unboxing with you to show you how this will arrive. All right, so it does come with a filter here that is wrapped in plastic. So I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap the filter. And then we're gonna put that filter back in. Now this does have a HEPA filter that is designed to, filter out different particles and assist with things like pet odors. There we go, it fits in. And especially if you put this near a litter box or a pet bed that has an odor, this is going to help reduce those odors. And also it's going to have the front vents open here to actually pull in pet hair. So this really helps with any lingering dust bunnies or pet hair that you might see. And that's why it is designed that way. And you can actually see on the front here how dirty the filter is going to get because it has a window on the front. Let's plug it in and let's get it connected to the app, but then also we're gonna look at all of the different settings up here at the top. And it does come with a standard charger. You just need to plug this into a 2-prong outlet, and this down here you will plug into the bottom of the air purifier unit. Just push it in, and then we can just plug it in. It'll be good to go. So it's actually pretty easy to get the app and everything installed. You just scan the QR code, open the app, and then you're basically going to be prompted to add the device. You're going to add the air purifier. Then you're going to long press on the air purifier to make sure that it starts flashing. That's when the Wi-Fi is going to pair. And then you can do pretty much everything you need to do to actually pair this up. And it'll give you interesting data like your air quality and things like temperature and stuff like that too. Now you can also control the air purifier with the app, but I usually just come up here to the very top and use these buttons to control the air purifier. So this is the power button. Obviously that turns it off and on. This is your fan speed. Right now we're at level 3. I'm gonna let you hear what this actually sounds like. Okay, and that is the loudest that it gets because that is the top fan speed. So one more time, here's what it sounds like. And that is as loud as it's gonna get. In my opinion, it's a little bit louder than some other air purifiers that I've used before, but it's honestly really good. I like how adorable this actually looks. As a cat owner myself, I really like the aesthetic of this air purifier. Some of them are really boring. This one is fun. One thing is I tried to take the stickers off and it did leave some residue, so that's one thing that I don't appreciate, and I wish that the stickers were easier to take off. I ended up leaving this sticker on, but overall, the settings themselves back up here, power, fan speed. This is to lock the buttons to where you can keep everything locked in case maybe you don't want any pets or kids or anything like that to come up here and mess with it. You can also do auto. So this will just auto sense whenever your air quality dips down, and then it'll adjust your fan speed for you. And here's level 1. I do want to show you what level 1 sounds like now that you've heard what level 3 sounds like. So here's level 1. And it drops down to almost no noise at all, but the airflow has dropped significantly. So level 1, much quieter, much more subtle, but definitely not going to be pulling as much air. The air goes into this part here through the filter and then out of the top. So air is getting pushed out up here. You can see the night mode here. That'll turn off all of the lights. So in case you want to use this in a bedroom or somewhere where you're going to be sleeping, then you're going to be able to turn off all the lights so you can get that total darkness. And then you do have a timer option as well. So if you want to basically set this for 6 hours, 2 hours, or 4 hours, it will turn off automatically after that time period. So you do have the pet reset option as well, which is very unique to this actual air purifier. And essentially what that does, whenever you want a boost of airflow for pet odors, you know, smelly from pets, cats, dogs, etc., you can hear it kicked in quite a bit. It is now at the level 3 stage again, and it's going for 6 hours. So it's kind of like a little reset button there. But overall, if you were to take a look at the filter here, you can see that's exactly where all the air is passing through. It's a thick filter. This light up here will turn red whenever the air quality starts to go down. So right now it's green, which means the air quality is good, but it'll start to go down over time, yellow and red. It's a really good looking compact air purifier that would be good for especially putting it near, you know, litter boxes, pet beds, anything that might have a lot of pet odor or pet hair. And, you know, this is also great for maybe, you know, for myself, I've got seasonal allergies, my wife has allergies, and so it can be helpful to have these air purifiers that will actually help reduce those, you know, danders and different things in the air that my body maybe, you know, reacts to. So this is from HeaPets. Again, this is what it looks like from the side. The filter is washable, so I can actually take that filter out and vacuum it and wash it and actually clean it up and then put it back into the unit itself. But overall, guys, I hope I answered some of the questions that you had. Have an amazing rest of your day. See you guys in the next one.